Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your story is not uploading into your Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, most of these kind of problems is because of your internet connection. So before going into any conclusion, firstly check your internet connection. If it's working properly, then let's get into our second point. Now, if you can't upload any stories into your Instagram, firstly you have to check your profile. Check your account if there's any restrictions or not. If you have any restrictions like you can't post for 24 hours, 3 days, 7 days or 30 days, you should go to your profile and then right into your profile it will show that your account is restricted for dash this many days. So if you have that kind of restriction into your account, you couldn't post any kind of stories, reels or normal post for mentioned days. Last but not least, if you are using an outdated version of Instagram, this problem might occur. Now in this case, just simply open your Play Store application and into Play Store, go for the search button and search Instagram. Now in place of this open button, if your Instagram is saying update, then you need to update Instagram and then your problem with stories will be fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.